Everyone, in this video, we're going to learn how to vote with EOSC, that little voting tool that we put out there. It's also a Swiss knife that you can use for many development tasks. Let's jump into it right now. So EOSC has a few functions, not many. It has the vault function that is important for us today, and the vote function. The vault command is what you use to create an encrypted vault and potentially to serve. What we're going to do today is we're merely going to create a new vault, and we're going to use that vault to cast a vote with the vote command. We're going to use that to cast a vote for certain producers. First step is creating a vault with vault create import. If you run that, it will allow you to paste your private key in. Mind you, the private key is not going to be shown. We're going to show the public key for confirmation that we did input the right private key, and then it's going to be serialized and encrypted in the vault. In my clipboard right now, I have the private key. I'm going to paste it in, and it should correspond to this key here, XZN. Okay? I'm going to paste it in, poof, and then I'm going to hit enter, and it indeed show that I have loaded that key. I'm going to hit enter because it's the last key I want to import, and then I'm going to secure my vault with a strong passphrase. I'm going to punch in a large passphrase here, and then another large passphrase just to confirm, and then boom, that you have now a new vault which contains a single key, and then this one lives in the EOSC vault. Let me show you the content here. So this is a simple JSON file. It identifies the sort of file, the version. You can put a random comment. It's encrypted using a passphrase because there's many ways we can wrap the encryption here. And this is the encrypted payload. Now we want to vote. To vote, we need to know our account name. So what I'm going to take that public key and I'm going to go to eosquery.com. So on EOSquery, you can punch in your EOS public key or your ETH, your Ethereum public key there, or even an account name, and you can find which account it matches to. Over here, that's the account name that was loaded on chain for me. And see, my initial balance is 4 EOS. Now I need to take that and bring it back to the command line to say I'm going to ready to vote now, vote for producers. And I need to put my account name here and the list of producers for which I want to vote. So let's say today we're voting for EOSCanada.com, and I'm going to hit enter here. Of course, if you wanted to vote for more producers, just put a space and producer 2 and producer 3. Okay? I'll let you choose those. And then you hit enter. It's going to ask to unlock your vault and load the private keys into memory just to sign a transaction and then let go of it. So I'm going to punch in my passphrase, and there you go. The vote has been sent to the chain. That's it. Your vote is cast. If you have any question, come and reach out on our different social media platforms. We'll be glad to help you. See you next time.